Hi everyone, for today's video we are going to review this Zoeva Spice of Life palette. So I was expecting this a little bit bigger. I didn't expect this to be this small. This is made in Germany. So the price of this very cute palette is $17. It's a little bit expensive for a small palette. Yeah, let's see how this one performs. So I'm gonna swatch this. There are 6 shades. Oh, it's very, very buttery. This is the Surprise of Life. Oh, wow. It's very pigmented. Balance of contrast. See that? That's a very beautiful shade. Shade of Joy. This is Shade of Joy. It's very pretty. And we have the flavors. Oh wow. That is very beautiful pigment right there. The flavors. And the last one is Variety is Key. Oh wow. So yeah, these are the 6 shades. This is what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like in my eyelids. There is no mirror. It's very expensive, but there is no mirror in this one, and it's only 6 shadows, and it's so small. Let's do it. I already put concealer in my eyelids, so I'm ready to put some eyeshadows. I'm gonna use this shade Shared Joy for my transition shade. It's a little bit powdery. So I'm gonna use now the Surprise of Life for my outer corner of the eyes. I'm gonna use this shade Balance the Contrast. So I did not like how this one performs. I'm gonna use my thumb and taking this shade. In my nose and to take that. It's just a minimal fallout though. I'm gonna take this shade Variety is Key for my lower lash line. I love these eyeshadows, but there are minimal fallout, especially the shade Balance the Contrast. So far it is good. So I'm just gonna finish my other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so this Zoeva palette, my thoughts about this Zoeva mini very cute palette is that these are nice, the pigment are nice, it's so buttery, it's so soft, the blending is very easy. I think for the price of this palette, it's a little bit too much. It's just a minimum fallouts. You can actually get a palette that is basically cheaper than this one, but works great as this one too. It's just too small, you see? It's very small. But if you have the money, you can actually get this and try it for yourself because the colors are pretty good. Yeah, so that's my thought about this palette. And see you in my next video. Bye!